Welcome to another episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for achieving operational excellence, Six Sigma. Joining us is Alex, our resident expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. Glad to be here.
Alex, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Six Sigma?
Six Sigma is a set of techniques and tools for process improvement originally developed by Motorola in the 1980s. The core idea is to improve quality by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business processes. The methodology relies heavily on statistical analysis and is aimed at achieving near perfection, which is quantified as 3.4 defects per million opportunities.
That sounds impressive. How does Six Sigma apply to maintenance management?
In maintenance management, Six Sigma can be used to enhance equipment reliability and reduce downtime. By applying Six Sigma principles, we can systematically identify the root causes of equipment failures, streamline maintenance processes, and improve the overall efficiency of the maintenance team. This results in lower maintenance costs, improved asset performance, and increased production uptime.
Can you give us an example of how Six Sigma has been applied in a maintenance context?
Sure. Let's consider a manufacturing plant that faced frequent breakdowns of its critical machinery. By employing the DMAIC methodology, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, they identified that most breakdowns were due to improper lubrication. They implemented a new lubrication schedule and trained their staff accordingly. As a result, the plant saw a 40% reduction in machinery downtime within 6 months, leading to significant cost savings and improved production efficiency.
That's a great success story. What are some key tools used in Six Sigma for maintenance management?
Some of the key tools include failure mode and effects analysis FMEA, root cause analysis RCA, control charts, and Pareto analysis. FMEA helps in identifying potential failure modes and their impact. RCA focuses on identifying the underlying causes of failures. Control charts monitor process stability, and Pareto analysis helps prioritize issues based on their impact.
Interesting. How do IoT and modern technologies integrate with Six Sigma practices?
IoT and modern technologies play a significant role in enhancing Six Sigma practices. With IoT, we can collect real-time data from equipment sensors, which provides valuable insights into the health and performance of assets. This data can be analyzed using Six Sigma tools to identify patterns, predict failures, and optimize maintenance schedules. Additionally, advanced analytics and machine learning can be used to improve the accuracy of predictions and make more informed decisions.
That sounds like a game changer for the industry. What advice would you give to companies looking to implement Six Sigma in their maintenance operations?
My advice would be to start small and scale up. Begin with a pilot project to demonstrate the value of Six Sigma. Ensure you have the right training for your team and leverage technology to collect and analyze data. Also, foster a culture of continuous improvement and encourage collaboration across departments. Lastly, measure your progress and celebrate your successes to keep the momentum going.
Great advice, Alex. Before we wrap up, what are the common challenges companies face when implementing Six Sigma, and how can they overcome them?
One common challenge is resistance to change. It's crucial to involve all stakeholders from the beginning and communicate the benefits of Six Sigma clearly. Another challenge is the lack of proper training. Investing in comprehensive Six Sigma training for your team is essential. Finally, sustaining the improvements can be difficult. Establishing a robust monitoring and control system helps ensure that the gains are maintained over time.
Thanks, Alex. This has been an enlightening conversation. Six Sigma clearly has a lot to offer in the realm of maintenance management.
Absolutely, Bruce. It's all about driving continuous improvement and achieving operational excellence.
Before we go, Alex, any final thoughts or takeaways for our listeners?
Yes, Bruce. For those new to Six Sigma, remember that it's a journey, not a destination. The goal is continuous improvement. Start with small projects to build confidence and gradually take on more complex challenges. Embrace the data-driven approach and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. And most importantly, involve your entire team in the process to create a culture of excellence and innovation.
Wise words, Alex. Continuous improvement truly is the key to long-term success. Thanks again for joining us, and thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Until next time, this is Bruce signing off. Keep aiming for perfection.
Thank you, Bruce. It's been a pleasure.
This episode was brought to you by Cryotos Maintenance Management, your partner in achieving operational excellence. Don't forget to check out our other episodes and resources to stay ahead in the maintenance management game. Have a great day, and see you next time.